This year we start partnership with Athena products, where it's including the pistons, engine components. For us it is really nice working together. Collaboration, technical support is on really high level, and they immediately understand how or what we can increase or how we can do better.
We use the same components in our race bike as practice bikes. Only on the practice bike we go a little bit less in RPM. What's easy with the GET system, you put less RPM and then we can longer distance with the same engine to have more focus on the race bike. The race bike is with the same components but more on the limit, more RPM, a little bit more compression that we can make with the different size of the gaskets. Also for our practice bikes it's like the perfect combination, only a little bit less on the limit.
The track in Lommel is one of the best test tracks, I think, almost in the world, where the availability of the products we test, it's tested as we want, and when it survives in Lommel 15-20 hours, that's the minimum, you know, for the race engine. On those kind of aspects we decide, or we take part, or we start partnership.
So sometimes when we are training here in Lommel and we just have a training day, but sometimes you get an idea in your head like you want to try something or change something. We can just go quick to the workshop and try it, you know, or make another set of suspension or change something small in the engine, and we can go back and try it. This is not possible when you are far away from the workshop training somewhere, so that makes it a lot easier and yeah, better of course.
Afterwards we look how the engine is running. Is it nice? Is there a lot of stress somewhere? Is it detonation, or do we have other aspects to change? But at this moment the partnership is really good collaboration. They are really helpful, and if we have a problem they solve it, or we try to solve it.